You want to see how I achieve this akara? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm making akara with custard. That's my wash beans, my oil, black pepper, powdered onion, salt, ginger, garlic. That is my spring onion. I have the white and the red onions, shallot, yellow pepper, green, red. That is my water, and that is the custard I am using. It's not a promotion video, guys, and that is my milk too. So let's dive to the preparation of this akara. So here I'm going to cut all my vegetables. So keep watching, guys. If you want to see how to wash beans super fast and super easy, I will leave the link down below so you go and check it out. The video will also show up at the top of the video, so you can click and watch so you see how to wash beans fast and easy without stress. So I'm going to continue cutting the vegetables. So here I'm done cutting the vegetable. I'll set aside and I'll start my beans. I'll blend, I'll put it inside my blender, add some water, and I'll blend until it is very smooth. Make sure your beans is very smooth, and make sure you don't add too much water. So now I'm done blending. I'll pour to my bowl and I'll blend the remaining one. I'll also pour to my bowl and I'll add my spices. So I'll whisk and whisk until everything comes together. So now I'll add my vegetable and continue whisking. So the reason we are doing this is to pump some air inside, and this will make the akara to be soft and fluffy. So just whisk, test your seasoning. I tested my everything was perfect, so I'm done whisking. This is the texture that I got. So I'm going to add the oil, and now I'll add my butter. So I'll just continue doing this until the pan is filled up. Okay, here I'll flip over and allow the other side to fry. So I'm just going to fry it until it is brown. So it's brown. I came to check on it, and I'm going to remove them from the oil. Put in a sieve so that the excess oil can go out. Now I'm going to start the custard process. I add 3 full spoons of custard, and I'm going to add water bit by bit. I'll just keep mixing until I get the texture that I want. So I'm done. This is the texture that I want. It's not too light. Make sure it's not too light. So this is it. It's good. So now I'll add hot water from the kettle. I'll just combine together and add my picnic. So I will mix and mix and mix. So as you can see, it's creamy. It's okay like this. So I will still add more picnic. So this is our end result. Thank you for watching. See you in our next one. Bye.